is nasty. I don't know why y'all keep saying to eat that crap.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla. But y'all, let's get out of this slump. Y'all, my kids are in the car with me right now, so I just need to get out of a slump. I'm in the worst slump, but I'm getting out of it. And for me personally, getting out of it is, I'm a very visual person. Like, I need to see stuff. Like, I need to see my goals and see, like, I'm a vision board person. Like, I'm gonna go test drive my dream car, stuff like that. Just like keep me focused and keep me like why I'm doing it. It's gonna be rough, y'all, because I got my kids with me right now, but we're on the way to go look at a car too, just for motivation, y'all. I'm not buying a car. We're not doing that right now. Like, if you watched my previous vlog from earlier this year, we just bought a car for my husband, so I'm not buying a car. Let's not do that. But I do want to look at one because it's one of my dream cars, and I also need motivation, of course, but I also want to see if I actually genuinely like it, or do I just like it when other people are driving it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna clean. We're gonna wash our hair. We're just gonna have a whole reset. We're gonna eat healthy. We're gonna go to the grocery store. Just showing you guys how I get out of my funk. I don't know if anybody else who follows me is the same way, but this is how personally I get out of my funk. So let's head to the dealership, and I will see you guys there.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that what red is.
Hey y'all, we are back at home. Whew, yeah, I had to stop. I was gonna come back in the car, but I don't know how y'all feel about car videos or whatever, so we here. Okay, so I love the car, y'all. I like love that car. And I didn't do it for like motivational purposes, but now I actually really want it. Cause I wanted to decide if I really liked it, or do I like other people driving it, and I like it. Once I was looking at was the GLE, a 2024 GLE 53 AMG. Anyway, y'all, so that's the one I was looking at or whatever. I'm sorry for my son in the background, but I really like the Arabian gray one, or the black one. And although I really like the gray, I think I'm gonna get tired of it after like a while. I would get tired of it after a while. And the black's just classy, sleek, very cute, whatever. And I finally got to sit in one and actually look at it and like see the room. And I had my kids, y'all, so that was hectic. That was a journey on its own, but yeah, I'm really glad I did. It got me out of a funk. I've just been in this very like unmotivated, and as like a content creator, like a striving content creator, like trying to, because I post on every platform, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, now LTK. So like I'm just trying to be consistent in all aspects, because I'm not one of those people who do it for the money. I just genuinely like filming and posting content, and I've just been in a rut where I don't even feel like posting or taking pictures or taking videos. I need to get better at that, because I truly like want to post twice a week on here and like build a little community or whatever. So I'm doing that. I'm about to start cleaning up. I already cleaned my kitchen yesterday, but they still have to pick up a few things, as you can tell, or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make my vision board with you guys, because I have not done that for the year yet. And again, I'm a very visual person, and there's nothing wrong with going to look at your dream car, go look at your dream house, and like have this dream life. For me personally, it's just very inspiring, and I can like, if I see it, I can obtain it. To me, like, I can have whatever I want if I look at it, you know what I'm saying? And like, these dealership people do not care. If y'all want to go look at your dream car, go look at your freaking dream car and go test drive that mother, because yes baby, we're gonna have to go up in a second. But the people at the dealership don't care. Like, half the time they're not doing it anyway, but they're gonna let you look at your car. Like, don't be embarrassed if you're just looking, because what are they gonna say? How did you know you got the money for it? Here, I got the money for it right now, but do I want to spend that money? No. So anyway, my son is begging me to go upstairs. So I'll see you guys upstairs for the vision board. All right, y'all, we are back. We're about to do the vision board. I'm in bed right now, y'all. My nose is running so bad, but y'all, it is March. It is March 13th at that, and I have yet to do my vision board, so let's do it to get me out of a freaking funk, y'all. I normally don't print off pictures, but I did this year just to be a little spicy and different, so I did that. I'll show you my vision board for last year too, to show you what I normally do compared to what I did this year. So I got 39 pictures and it was only like 15 bucks, so not expensive at all. But if you have a printer at home and you rather just do that. But let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. So I have a couple of the little ones, just like the little fillers. If y'all don't do a vision board, I highly suggest you do. Y'all, they're very therapeutic and they're very like good to look at, because looking at my other one right now, I probably did about half of the things on my one from last year just to keep you motivated. I swear my husband thinks I'm gay because the amount of bikini pictures I have on my vision board just for like weight loss goals is ridiculous. A YouTube one. I also probably need some scissors from over there, but I want to lay them all out just so I can see what I have. I almost think I got a little too many. I got a little carried away, so I'm gonna have to throw some of these away. But I've done a lot of these so far. I really took an like identical picture to this one. If you follow me on Instagram, you see like almost freaking identical literally the other day. I really put a lot of girl like relationships kind of stuff on, not like with my husband, but like with friendships, because I really do want to start prioritizing my friendships and just, you know, relationship. And the car that I just looked at today, I'm telling you.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo. Tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
Let me show you guys my last one before I start doing this because it's gonna stress me out. Hold up. Anyway, this is my one from last year. My son done ripped in pieces, but I really did a lot of these on here. Not this one, baby, not that one, but I did do a lot on there. All right, y'all, this is Hale, but I'm done with that. Oh, we should have found like a thumbtack. All right, y'all, let's tape this B word up. Be done. Be done with it. Done with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Okay. I'm so scared it's gonna. If this thing falls off, I'm scream. But look how cute. Let me show y'all up on my wall. Before this thing pisses me off. All right, I just hung it up. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Don't look at my messy room. But yeah, so cute. I'm still debating if I should go put it on a thicker thing. But yeah, it's like right at my door, so I see it every morning before I leave. I think it's so cute. It could have been better for sure, but that's just what we're doing right now. I need to be motivated. I'm trying to realign myself and not stress myself out. So that's good for what it is right now. So I'm good. I'm glad I did that. I've been procrastinating on doing that for a while. For today, I'm just going to chill a little bit, do some editing for YouTube for here right now. I'm going to relax for a little bit and then I'm going to make dinner. Hey y'all, it's a little bit of time later. Yeah, I'm gonna start cooking, so for me and the kids for tonight, and do some cleaning while that's boiling and cooking or whatever. I just moved, y'all, but I need to force myself to do these things just to get out of whatever, be in a better headspace or whatever. You know, you get like the vacation blues, like you just miss being on vacation. I feel like that's me right now. Like I really don't want to do these things, and I think that's the big part of like the whole getting out of something is you have to force yourself to do it, or you gonna stay in the same mindset. So if I don't want to, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna feel better about it, and that's just gonna be it. So what time is it now? It is 4:33. Y'all, I also am like, one of my things also, like I said, is like content and just creating or whatever has been a slump. And while I was like laying down, I was like, girl, like do something, right? And so if you don't know, I have a LTK, like to know it or whatever it's called. And you know how you follow those like Instagram pages that like put the outfit together for you and you literally just go on there and you buy it? Yeah, I made one. You wanna see? Hold up. Let me focus. I don't know if you can see everything in it, but like little details and stuff in it. Like I got the hat, jewelry, shoes, bag, fit, bathing suit, everything is on there. And I just, that's like my first one or whatever. And I'm kind of proud of it. I could, like, there's some things I like look at like, oh, okay, like maybe you switch to like silver jewelry or whatever. But yeah, it's my first one. Beginner, you know, I'll grow. But like, yeah, I'm really excited about it. Cause I'm a shopaholic and that site does not help my addiction. So that kind of helps me a little bit. And I can at least put the outfits I want together and just one, buy them later and look at them later. But two, other people can also find it and look at it. So I'm gonna make more pieces. If you know, you wanna follow me on there or buy any of the outfits that are on there or whatever, I'll link it in the description of this video. And probably all my videos coming up, but yeah. let me get to cleaning.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less compared to some.
All right, y'all, my kitchen is mostly clean or whatever. I'm gonna spray down the counters when we're done eating and when the kids go to bed, because if you have kids, you know it's gonna get right back messed up. There's no point in me actually cleaning now because they're about to come downstairs. We're gonna finish this healing journey tomorrow, baby, because Rome was not built in a day and neither was I. So it's a process. It is a process. And you cannot do everything in one day because, girl, if you try, you'll be burnt and wore out and you're gonna be more tired at the end of it rather than actually going through the motions. You know what I'm saying? So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm about to go eat with my kids and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me.
Hey y'all, it's the next day. We're about to go outside and touch some grass because that always makes me feel better. We're gonna go play soccer with the kids, you know, go to a park, have a drink or two, okay, because I need it. But yeah, let's go outside, get some sun because in North Carolina right now it's super warm. So we're gonna be one in the sun, get some fitness in, and just have some family time. It's gonna make me feel better. So I will see you guys at the park.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Whew, hey y'all, I don't know when the last time I talked to you guys was, but it is what it is. We are on the way to the gym. It's my last stop of, you know, self-improvement. I have not been to the gym in roughly 2 months, I think, so we getting back into it. All right, y'all, now that we're out of the speed bumps, I think I can talk to y'all. Hopefully my camera's not shaky. I don't understand, like I truly don't. Like, I was looking back at like my Tulum vlog and like, one, why is my hand so shaky? Two, why is my camera just in general so shaky? Y'all, I need camera recommendations. If you have something, let me know because this ain't gonna do. All right, now that we're stopped. So yeah, I will admit that doing a couple of these things has made me feel a lot better because like this morning I got up and started cleaning like my blinds. Like I'm in like a lot better mood and I've been posting more consistently. Like I really don't know, like these things for me, for some reason, I don't know, there's not even really like a rhyme or reason. I'm not a 5 a.m. girl. I'm not an eat greens and smoothies kind of girl. I'm not that, but this works for me personally. Just like getting my stuff together, just like simple things. I think people make getting out of a, you know, a funk or whatever, or getting back to yourself, they make it way too complicated and they make it unobtainable because I'm not gonna wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Even though my next video, I think I'm gonna do a week full of do it at 5 a.m. But they just make it unrealistic and unobtainable. Like for people, like if people don't love greens and love smooth, they're not gonna drink that all the time. They're not gonna. Avocado toast is nasty. I don't know why y'all keep saying to eat that crap. Like just stuff in general. I think a lot of people make it way too hard, or way harder than it has to be. But do what makes you happy. You feel me? Like do what you know you will stick to. For one, two, it makes you happy. Like stuff like this. Like I'm only gonna be here for like 30 minutes. Like no one said you had to be out the gym for an hour. You know what I'm saying? Just small little tinky tinks. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna sit here, regroup, because I really want to go in here. And yeah, I'm gonna go just work out. They put a Stairmaster in my gym, so I'm gonna try that out for the first time. But yeah, I'm just going here. I'm gonna do a light workout, something simple to get me back, because I have not been to the gym in like 2 months. So that's what we're gonna do. I brought my tripod or whatever, and so yeah. All right, y'all, let's go.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is the never since that we play. Sit right next to you.
Alright, y'all, we have showered. We're done at the gym. We're not eating with the minis. I have my portioned out, meal prepped Alfredo. I'm in a calorie deficit. I was doing keto, but girl, I like pasta way too much. So we're in a calorie deficit. So this is my portion serving size of Alfredo. And yeah, we should have some family time. And I think I'm gonna end it here because this did what it needs to do. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm a lot more productive. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.